So today we are visiting IAG Cargo here at London Heathrow, and today we're actually going to go inside this Ascentis terminal to check out our latest installation, CargoSpect.
CargoSpect is a computer vision solution that captures dimensions, weight, barcodes, text, non-stackable pallets, and takes photos automatically as cargo moves through the system.
With our CargoSpect solution, IAG Cargo can capture all this data fully dynamic, just going through the system. There is no need to stop or to put down the pallets.
My name is Andrew Gips. I'm the Department Manager for Ascentis at IAG Cargo in the London Heathrow operations here. My team is responsible for all of the general cargo movements through London Heathrow. We were initially scanning the market for a innovative solution for our volumetric checks that we conduct on acceptance here at London Heathrow. We wanted something that was faster, that integrated with our operations, and that offered us opportunity for data collection quickly. And we really want to use that data for driving better accuracy build plans and maximising uplift on our flights.